In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your Grubhub driver region. So this is actually a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So you actually used to be able to go over to the Grubhub for Drivers support page, and you could head over to this post, and they actually used to include a link which you could click and then fill out a form to request to change your driver region. However, as you can see, it's been updated 2 days ago and they no longer allow you to fill out this form to change your region. So in order to change your Grubhub driver region, you will actually have to have the Grubhub for Drivers app. Now if you've got an iPhone, you can just download this off the App Store if you haven't already. And the same with if you've got an Android, you can simply just download it off the Google Play Store. What you want to do once you've downloaded the app is actually just to sign into your account. From there, when you're on the home page, it should look something like this. And if you haven't yet filled out your application, you should be able to see this section. And one of the things that you will have to do under your tasks is actually location and transportation. So if you go ahead and click on that, you'll see this page and it will tell you that you're currently on the waitlist delivery region that you chose for the delivery region you chose when signing up to Grubhub. However, if you are still in the waitlist, that means you can change your Grubhub driver region. So what you have to do is click this take me off the waitlist button at the very bottom of the page. And when you click on that, it will now change and you'll be able to enter in a zip code or address. So what you can do from here is enter in a different zip code. And once you've done that, you can then choose a new region which you would like to drive in. You'll then be switched to a new Grubhub driver region and you'll be able to deliver orders in that region instead. So that's exactly how you can change the Grubhub driver region. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.